Have you ever sat in the back of a dusty Land Cruiser, watching a pride of lions traverse the golden plains of the Mara, and wondered just how much it costs to keep this world turning? It is easy to look at the price tag of a luxury holiday and feel a pang of sticker shock. But the truth is that every dollar you spend is a heartbeat in the chest of a massive, complex operation. When you book a trip, you aren't just paying for a high-end tent and a sundowner. You are essentially funding a private army, a scientific research facility, and a rural development program all at once. The most immediate and vital slice of your trip payment goes toward conservation fees and park permits. Think of these as the rent paid to the land. Managing a wilderness area isn't a passive job. It is an active battle against the encroaching pressures of the modern world. Park authorities use these funds to maintain thousands of miles of roads and fire breaks, ensuring that when the dry season brings the risk of wildfire, the entire ecosystem doesn't go up in smoke. They also pay for the unglamorous but essential work of monitoring water holes and managing invasive plant species that could choke out the native grasses the wildebeest depend on. Then there is the front line. Poaching remains a constant, silent threat to the world's most iconic species. A significant portion of your money goes directly into the pockets of the rangers who patrol these vast territories 24 hours a day. These men and women require specialized training, high-tech communications equipment, and sometimes even canine units to track illegal activity. When you see a rhino grazing peacefully, remember that it is likely being watched over by a team of dedicated protectors whose salaries were paid by travelers just like you. Without this steady stream of eco-tourism revenue, these wild spaces would be left unguarded, and the silence of the bush would soon become permanent. However, conservation isn't just about fences and patrols. It is also about the people. One of the most critical places your money goes is into the surrounding communities. For decades, conservationists have realized that if the local people living on the borders of these parks don't benefit from the wildlife, they have no reason to protect it. Your stay funds schools, clinics, and clean water projects. It provides stable, well-paying jobs for guides, chefs, and housekeepers who live nearby. When a community sees that a living elephant is worth more to their economy than a dead one, the entire dynamic of conservation changes from one of conflict to one of cooperation. Of course, a portion of the cost covers the logistics of keeping you comfortable in the middle of nowhere. Building and maintaining a lodge in a remote wilderness is an engineering nightmare. Every drop of fuel, every fresh vegetable, and every bottle of wine often has to be trucked or flown in over hundreds of miles of rough terrain. Operating sustainably, using solar power and advanced waste filtration systems, is significantly more expensive than plugging into a city grid, but it ensures that your presence leaves the lightest possible footprint on the earth.